You might think you're living a healthy life, eating okay, moving a little, and avoiding obvious dangers like smoking or drinking too much. But the truth is, many of the most damaging habits are silent, sneaky, and hiding in plain sight. Let's break down the 6 surprising things that are destroying your health, often without you even realizing it. And more importantly, how you can take back control starting today. First up, chronic sleep deprivation. It's not just about feeling tired. Lack of sleep disrupts nearly every function in your body: hormones, brain health, immune system, metabolism, and even how fast you age. You might get by on 5 or 6 hours a night, but your body pays the price in the background: higher inflammation, blood sugar spikes, memory loss, and even an increased risk of cancer. So what's the fix? Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Build a consistent bedtime routine. Dim your lights an hour before bed. Avoid screens after 9 p.m. Sleep in a cool, dark room. And if stress keeps you awake, try journaling, deep breathing, or magnesium supplements. Next, sitting too much, even if you exercise. Here's a scary fact. If you sit for more than 8 hours a day, your risk of heart disease and early death skyrockets, even if you hit the gym regularly. Sitting is the new smoking. Long hours at a desk slow your circulation, weaken your muscles, and drain your energy. How do you fix it? Move every 30 minutes. Stand up, stretch, walk around. Use a standing desk if you can. Take walking meetings. Sneak in squats or push-ups throughout your day. Motion keeps your metabolism active and your blood flowing. Now let's talk about ultra-processed foods. Even if you avoid fast food, chances are your pantry is filled with ultra-processed items: flavored yogurts, energy bars, frozen meals, and snacks. These foods are loaded with refined sugars, industrial oils, artificial flavors, and preservatives that wreak havoc on your gut, hormones, and heart. The fix? Eat real food. Build meals around whole, single-ingredient items: vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. If it comes in a box and has a long ingredient list, think twice. Your body isn't designed to digest chemical cocktails. Chronic stress and mental overload is another sneaky health saboteur. Your body can handle short bursts of stress, but chronic low-level stress, tight deadlines, toxic relationships, financial pressure, keeps your cortisol levels high, damages your brain, wrecks your immune system, and drives weight gain, especially around the belly. Try this. Build daily habits to lower your stress baseline. Meditate for 10 minutes. Take walks in nature. Disconnect from social media for a few hours. Talk to a friend. Practice gratitude. Even a few deep breaths can reset your nervous system. Dehydration might sound simple, but most people walk around mildly dehydrated every day. This leads to fatigue, brain fog, headaches, poor digestion, and slower metabolism. Coffee, soda, and alcohol don't count. Many of them actually make it worse. Fix it by aiming for half your body weight in ounces of water per day. If you weigh 160 pounds, that's about 80 ounces, roughly 2.4 liters. Start your day with a big glass of water and sip consistently throughout. Add lemon or cucumber slices to make it more enjoyable. Ignoring micronutrients is more common than you think. We often focus on protein, carbs, and fat, but the real game changer for long-term health is micronutrients: magnesium, zinc, vitamin D, B complex, iodine, and others. Deficiencies are extremely common due to depleted soil, poor diet, and lack of sunlight. To fix this, eat a rainbow of fruits and veggies. Include nuts, seeds, seafood, and leafy greens regularly. Get blood tests annually to check for deficiencies. Consider a high-quality multivitamin or targeted supplements if needed. And yes, 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure can do wonders for vitamin D. And finally, toxic self-talk and negative mindsets. This one's less obvious, but just as powerful. If you constantly beat yourself up, doubt your worth, or carry resentment, your body hears it. Studies show that negativity increases stress hormones, weakens immunity, and even shortens your lifespan. So, talk to yourself like someone you love. Catch negative thoughts and replace them with empowering ones. Write down 3 wins at the end of each day. Practice forgiveness. Mindset shifts don't just change your mood, they change your biology. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small changes that add up over time. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Hormones act like your body's internal Wi-Fi. They carry essential messages from one part of the body to another, controlling everything from your metabolism and sleep to your energy, libido, and immune system. When your hormones are in sync, you feel powerful, focused, and calm. But if they're disrupted, everything starts to feel off, and often you can't explain why. The problem? Most people don't realize that their daily routines are filled with hidden hormone disruptors. These compounds, known as endocrine disruptors, sneak into your body through food, water, skincare, cleaning products, and even the air you breathe. Over time, they hijack your hormonal balance, leading to fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, anxiety, infertility, and chronic inflammation. Let's look at the most common hormone wreckers and how to eliminate them. First up, plastic and BPA exposure. BPA, or bisphenol A, is found in plastic bottles, food containers, and the lining of canned foods. It mimics estrogen in the body, throwing your natural hormone balance off. Even BPA-free plastics often contain BPS or BPF, just as harmful. So what can you do? Store food in glass or stainless steel containers. Don't microwave plastic. Avoid canned foods unless labeled BPA-free. Use a refillable glass or metal water bottle. Next, pesticides in produce. Many pesticides are estrogenic and have been linked to lower testosterone, thyroid dysfunction, and reproductive issues. The fix? Buy organic when possible, especially for high-residue fruits and veggies like strawberries, spinach, apples, and grapes. Wash all produce thoroughly, even organic ones. Now let's talk about synthetic fragrances. If the label says fragrance or perfume, it often means a mix of dozens of undisclosed chemicals, including phthalates, known hormone disruptors. Here's what I do. Switch to fragrance-free or naturally scented products using essential oils. Choose personal care and cleaning products with transparent ingredient lists. Household cleaning products are another culprit. Many conventional cleaners release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, that affect respiratory and hormonal health. You can use simple alternatives like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon, or opt for eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning brands. Non-stick cookware is also on the list. Teflon and other non-stick coatings contain perfluorinated compounds, or PFCs, which are linked to thyroid issues and metabolic disorders. Try replacing non-stick pans with cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic-coated alternatives. Tap water contaminants are another hidden threat. Municipal tap water often contains trace amounts of pharmaceuticals, chlorine, heavy metals, and endocrine disruptors like atrazine. A high-quality water filter can help. Reverse osmosis systems are particularly effective. And finally, stress and cortisol imbalance. Cortisol is your body's main stress hormone. But when it stays elevated for too long, it disrupts other hormone systems, especially sex hormones and thyroid function. Prioritize relaxation. Get outside. Exercise moderately. Practice yoga, meditation, or journaling. Learn to say no. Protect your mental energy like it's your most valuable resource, because it is. Hormonal balance isn't just about supplements or medication. It's about minimizing exposure to hidden disruptors and supporting your body's natural rhythm through smart, daily choices. When you clean up your environment and nourish your body, your hormones thank you, and so does every system that depends on them. Ever wake up exhausted like you never slept? That deep fatigue isn't just getting older, it's a sign your energy is being stolen by hidden traps. Today, we'll uncover the 7 most common energy drains, physical, mental, and emotional, and show you how to reclaim your spark. Take a deep breath. Let's begin your journey back to vibrant energy. Ever notice how a sugary breakfast gives you a quick high, then leaves you crashing and craving more? These blood sugar spikes and crashes stress your body, drain your energy, and set you up for chronic fatigue. The fix? Choose whole foods, healthy fats, proteins, and fiber to keep your energy steady. Swap sugary cereals for eggs and avocado, or pasta for a colorful salad with protein. Nourish your body with stable fuel, and you'll feel the difference all day. Break the cycle. Your energy will thank you. Deep inside your cells, mitochondria are your body's power plants. Stress, toxins, and processed foods damage them, leaving you drained. Support your mitochondria with antioxidants from colorful fruits and veggies, regular movement, and restorative sleep. Every healthy choice rebuilds your energy from the inside out. Nurture your power plants. Feel the vitality return. Most of us breathe shallowly, starving our bodies of oxygen and energy. Practice deep belly breathing. Inhale slowly, let your belly rise, then exhale fully. Just a few deep breaths can clear brain fog and boost your energy instantly. Make deep breathing a habit and feel your energy soar. Your liver works non-stop to detox your body, but modern life overloads it with chemicals and processed foods. Lighten its load. Choose organic foods, natural products, and limit alcohol. Support your liver with cruciferous veggies, bitter greens, and plenty of water. A happy liver means more energy for you. You can eat plenty and still be starved for nutrients. Focus on a diverse whole foods diet. Leafy greens, colorful veggies, quality proteins, and probiotic-rich foods for gut health. Sometimes targeted supplements help, but food quality and absorption are key. Fill your nutrient gaps and watch your energy rise. Chronic hidden inflammation silently drains your energy. It's fueled by sugar, processed foods, stress, and hidden infections. Fight back with anti-inflammatory foods. Avocados, olive oil, wild salmon, turmeric, ginger, and colorful plants. Cool the internal fire and free up energy for living. Your body will thank you. Heavy emotions, stress, worry, resentment, are huge energy drains. Let yourself feel and release them. Journal, talk, move, or meditate. Processing emotions isn't weakness. It's how you reclaim your power. Lighten your emotional load, and your energy will rebound. These 7 energy traps aren't life sentences, they're invitations to change. Every small conscious choice, what you eat, how you breathe, how you feel, restores your vitality. You are the expert on you. Listen to your body's wisdom. If this helped you, subscribe, comment, and share with someone who needs more energy. Your energy is sacred. Let's protect it together.